Next, number of terms in the expansion of x plus y plus z whole power n. Number of terms in x plus y plus z whole power n equal to n plus 1 and n plus 2 by 2. The number of terms in the expansion of a plus b plus c plus d whole power n equal to n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3 by 6. The number of distinct terms in the expansion of x1 plus x2 plus x3 up to xr whole power n is given by n plus r minus 1 c r minus 1. Binomial coefficient, their properties. One plus x whole power n can be written as 1 plus nc naught nc2 x squared plus etc. ncn x power n. The coefficients NC0, NC1, NC2 up to NC n of various powers of x are called binomial coefficients. And they are written as C0, C1, C2 up to Cn. C0 plus C1 plus Cn equal to 2 power n. That's important. Sum of binomial coefficients equal to 2 power n. That is NCR r equal to 0 to n equal to 2 power n. C0 minus C1 plus C2 minus C3 plus etc. minus 1 whole power n Cn equal to 0. Alternate sign we have 0. That is sum of r equal 0 to n minus 1 whole power n NCR equal to 0. C0 plus C2 plus C4 plus etc. equal to C1 plus C3 plus C5 plus etc. That is sum of coefficients of odd and even terms are equal. So C0 plus C2 plus C4 etc. equal to C1 plus C3 plus C5 etc. but that is equal to 2 power sum of even terms equal to 2 power n minus 1 as well sum of odd terms also equal to 2 power n minus 1. C0 CR, C1 CR plus 1 plus C2 C R plus 2 C n minus R Cn equal to 2n C n minus R. That is 2n factorial by n plus r factorial into n minus r factorial. C naught square plus C1 square plus C2 square plus etc. Cn squared equal to two n factorial by n factorial into n factorial. If you put r equal to 0 here, you will get this result. From this only we are able to, if you remember this, we can apply this, we can find this easily. In place of r, you take 0, you will get this result. In place of r, if you take 1, C0 C1 plus C1, C2 plus C2 C3 plus etc. Cn minus r Cn equal to two n Cn minus 1. 2n C n minus 1, that is 2n factorial by n plus 1 factorial into n minus 1 factorial. C0 C2 plus C1 C3 plus C2 C4 plus etc. Cn minus 2 C2 is equal to 2n C n minus 2 equal to 2n factorial divided by n plus 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial. C1 plus 2C2 plus 3C3 plus NCN equal to n into 2 power n minus 1. C1 minus 2C2 plus 3C3 minus 1 whole power n minus 1 whole power n minus 1 the n equals 0. C naught plus 2C1 plus 3C2 plus 4C3 plus etc. n plus 1 Cn equal to two power n minus 1 into n plus 2. C naught plus Cn by 2 plus C2 by 3 Cn by n plus 1 equal to 2 power n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1. 2 power n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1. C naught minus Cn by 2 by C2 by 3 minus C3 by 4 minus 1 whole power on Cn by, so the same term but alternative sign, equal to one by n plus 1. To determine a particular term, in the expansion of the binomial theorem. The expansion of x per alpha plus or minus 1 by x per beta whole power n if x power m occurs in Tr plus 1, then R is given by R equal to n alpha minus beta n alpha minus m by alpha plus beta. If the constant term or the term independent of x occurs in TR plus 1 then R is given by R equal to n alpha by alpha plus beta. Find the coefficient of x power 39 the expansion of x power 4 minus 1 by x squared whole power 5. X per alpha plus or minus 1 by x bar beta whole power n to find the coefficient of x power m R equal to n alpha minus m by alpha plus beta. Here m equal to 39, n equal to 5, alpha equal to 4, beta equal to 3. Therefore, R equal to n alpha 5 into here 15. 15 into 4 minus m, that is 39 by alpha plus beta 4 plus 3 60 minus 39 by 7 21 by 7, that is 3. So TR plus 1 equal to NCR x per n minus r a per r. So TR plus 1 equal to, in place of x we have x power 4 whole power n 15 minus r minus 1 by x cube whole power r. BF on R equal to 3. So T4 equal to 15C3 x per n, that is 15 minus 3 12, a, that is minus 1 by x cubed whole power 3. But in place of x we have x cubed by 12, x cubed power 12, okay. 15C3 x power 36 x power 4 48 minus 1 whole cube x power minus 9 minus 15C3 x power 39. Coefficient of x power 39 equal to minus 15C3 minus 15 into 14 into 13 by 1 into 2 into 3. Minus 455. Algorithm to find numerically greatest term in x plus a whole power n. Step 1, calculate n plus 1 by modulus x by a plus 1 equal to k, that is say. If k is an integer, if k is an integer, tk plus 1 are the numerically greatest term. If k is not an integer, let m be the greatest integral part of k then Tm plus 1 is the numerically greatest term. So you have few more concept to discuss. After that we will more some next class. Thank you.